questions keep returning louder, and he only prays he'll find the strength. He would lie awake with his thoughts running wild, wondering how to stop the storm inside. But the questions keep returning louder, and he only prays he'll find the strength. No